Well, no, I already know. I accept the challenge of my sister-in-law, Joyce, and will go through with the bucket of water, ice water on my head. But we'll further the challenge by challenging my 4 daughters and the president of RAAC to do likewise.
Wait. You don't do it. You don't do it.
Hold on. Put that down. Put that one down. Go ahead and take one step back.
One step back. Oh, gee.
You're in the way, Paul.
Yeah.
Paul in the way.
Yeah, they surprised me.
I want to see this too.
But you must be glad you're okay, but I still have to see his evaluation.
Let's do it now.
To challenge somebody else.
Yeah, challenge somebody else.
I challenge Judy Gibbons.
Oh, I'm going to tell you!
All right.
Go, Judy.
You are a dead nut now!
Doesn't have to be immediate.
Paul and I will
We'll let Paula figure out where.
Paul and I will do it together.
All right, good. Yes.
I'm not ready yet.
I at least knew to bring the towel.
That's right.
Dad?